Hi everyone, this is Serena Chu with Keller Williams Southwest. I'm here at 4039 Blacksmith. We have so many interests on this property, and for those who's been contacting me, I'm sending this video to you so that you can take a look at this property. So due to the winter storm, that some of the trees are pretty much did not survive the sub-zero temperature over here in Houston, Texas, in Sugar Land, Texas. So I'm gonna walk you. It is a two-car garage, and this is the front of the house, cute cottage style. And I'm gonna go in and show you the house. So come along. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. You're gonna walk in here, and this is what you see to your right. This is a formal dining room area, and that is your kitchen with a wood countertop, wood laminate countertop, gas stove, and refrigerator. And you have, this is your pantry. It is small, compact, but you can still put a lot of stuff in here. Now after that, we are going to see this door here. The first door to your left, this one leads to your utility room. There is no washer dryer. You do need to bring your own washer dryer, but you have a little mud area. Maybe you can put a little bench here and change your shoes and leave the muds out. And this is your 2-car garage, and that is your trash bin and recycle bin. And you see here that there's extra storage space over there. And that is the water heater. And here you have extra step-up area. Like if you want, you can put a freezer, or you can put an extra refrigerator for your summertime. And we do have electrical clocks on the wall to be ready for the extra appliance. Okay, so let's go inside to here. The second door to your left, we do have a coat closet. Now let's get here to see the living room, the family room. It is a large one with 2 sliding doors and a fireplace. And the ceiling is a tilt ceiling, and the light fixture. Look at the laminate wood floor. It's very nice space right here. Now we go over here, and you can see this is the first bedroom you see, with carpet, and then a closet with some built-in shelves for you. Then we will head over to this linen closet right outside the bedroom. Then we can head over here to your first full bath. This is the first full bath. And we will get to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom with higher ceiling. And you will see that's one of the closet for some storage with shelves. This is your master bathroom. Now let's go over here. This is your master closet. So this is the master, and then we will go over here to the left. This is the third bedroom you have. This is the closet with a sliding door. Okay, now let's go outside. This is the backyard. From another angle, looking at the back of the house. Okay, I hope this gives you guys a very good idea about this property. And if you have any other questions, or if you would like to see in person or submit the application, please give me a call and or email it to me. My phone number is 832-282-1929. Thank you very much for your time. It's a long video, 6 minutes. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.